Hi dears! Today I'm recording this video from one of the most beautiful places I know. That's in my home area. It's a little house we have in the mountains, the middle of nowhere, by the river, no electricity, no water, just pure nature. That's the place, full of trees everywhere and mountains. That's the house and the river where we always swim, pretty cold water. That's the dog having some siesta there. And yeah, I've been inspired by the river today and by this amazing place to create a short and sweet river flow. So let's go and flow together. Welcome to the sweet river flow. Come with the feet at the top of your yoga mat. We will begin in Tadasana, the mountain pose. Take the feet about hip width apart, the palms together in front of your heart. Feel the contact of the feet on the ground, feel the connection with the Mother Earth, and feel also the contact of your fingers with your chest. Breathe naturally through the nose, in and out, and keep the eyes closed. Start looking inward. You are relaxed, but at the same time your body is kind of active, holding yourself in a strong, stable position. Your shoulders, the neck are relaxed. Your face, the mouth, also let go. And keep breathing, keep finding the connection with your breath. And let your breath guide you through this flow. Take a deep inhale through the nose and out the mouth. Let it go. One more time. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Release everything you don't need in this moment. One more time through the nose, deep inhale. And now the mouth. Let go. Return to your natural breath. And start slowly opening the eyes. Circle the arms all the way up towards the sky. Bring your palms together, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Dive deep. Inhale, lengthen the spine, half forward fold. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bend slightly the knees, rise your arms all the way up. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Two more like this. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up to the sky. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Circle the arms all the way up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, rise up, palms together. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale here and exhale. Inhale, rise the arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine, half forward fold. Exhale, walk your feet back, plank pose. Inhale here, and when you exhale, slowly the knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, stretch the feet, open your heart, Cobra. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale through the nose and out the mouth. Let it go. A couple of more breaths here through the nose, deep in and out again. Inhale and release with the exhale what you do not need anymore. Push back, lengthen, inhale, and when you exhale, walk all the way forward, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, rise all the way up to the sky. Hands together in front of your heart. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, plank pose. Inhale here and exhale with the knees or chaturanga, lower down. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Open your heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Find length in the spine. Bring your sit bones up and back. Breathe deeply, activate the shoulders. Shake your head if you need. Inhale, press back. Exhale, walk to the front of the mat. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands in prayer in front of your heart. Deep inhale, rise up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale here, chair pose, rise the arms all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, plank pose. Lower down, same exhale. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Rise your right leg back and up and bring your knee towards your chest. Inhale, rise back and up. Exhale, right foot between your hands at the front of the mat. Inhale, rise with your upper body, your arms up, high lunge. Take a breath here and exhale, hands to the floor. Vinyasa, lower down. Open your heart in the cobra or up dog and exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to the chest, activate the core. Inhale, back with the leg. Exhale, foot between your hands. Inhale, rise up, high lunge. And exhale, look down and bring your hands to the floor slowly. From here, same exhale, plank, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, open your heart, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale and out. Exhale. Release. Slowly work your feet all the way to the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, fully. Inhale, rise all the way up, palms together. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, rise up, lift up the arms, look to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale here, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, walk back, plank, lower down, vinyasa. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale and out. Rise your right leg back and up. Bring your knee to the right upper arm. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, knee to the left upper arm. Inhale back. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale back. Exhale, right foot between your hands. Inhale, rise up, high lunge. Bring your arms all the way up to the sky. And breathe. Activate the legs. Keep strong in the lower body and light in the upper body. Rise your heart all the way up to the sky. And then open up, warrior two. Right arm to the front, left arm back. Look over your right hand. Relax the shoulders. Turn your right palm up. Bring your weight forward and then reverse the warrior. Right arm over your head. Feel the length on your whole right side. The legs remain strong, the upper body light. Smile here. Relax your face. Then slowly come to warrior two and bring your right arm on your right thigh or bring the right hand of the inside of your right foot, left arm up towards the sky. Bring your left shoulder back, deep inhale, and when you exhale, extend the arm over your head, extended side angle pose. Relax your gaze, look under your armpit, and breathe. Slowly, the next time that you inhale, extend your left arm up. And then come all the way up, reverse the warrior. And then cartwheel your hands all the way to your yoga mat. Vinyasa, lower down, exhale. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. The other side. Left leg up, inhale. Exhale, knee to left triceps. Inhale, press back. Exhale, twist knee to right triceps. Inhale, press back. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, all the way back. Exhale, silently, left foot between your hands. Inhale, rise up, high lunge, smile. Relax the upper body. Activate the lower body. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, open your arms, warrior two. Left arm to the front, right back, look over your left hand, left arm to the front, sorry. And keep breathing. Turn your left palm up and reverse your warrior. Open your whole left side. Deep inhale, lengthen here. And then slowly warrior two, and from here left arm to the left thigh or left hand of the inside of your left foot on the ground, right arm up. Bring your right shoulder back, open your chest. Deep inhale, and when you exhale, right arm over your head towards the front of the mat. Lengthen the whole right side. Bring your right foot and right hand away from each other. Inhale deeply and exhale. Slowly the right arm all the way up. And then come all the way up in reverse warrior. With the next exhale, cartwheel, hands to the ground. The same exhale, vinyasa, lower down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Wow, deep inhale here. And exhale, let go. Keep breathing. Keep strong and keep flowing. Flow like a river, constantly steady. Right leg lifts up, right knee to right arm, right leg back, right knee to left arm, right leg back, right knee to chest. Inhale again back, exhale foot between your hands, top of the mat. Inhale, rise up, exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, right hand to the ground or arm to thigh, extended side angle pose. Take a deep inhale and then come back, reverse the warrior, and then hands to the floor, vinyasa, lower down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left side, inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, knee to left arm. Inhale, back up. Exhale, knee to right arm. Inhale, back. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, back. Exhale, foot between your hands, top of the mat. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior, open the left side. Exhale, extended side angle pose, right arm over your head. Inhale here and rise back to reverse warrior. Exhale, hands to the ground, vinyasa, lower down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep breaths here. Inhale, come in the plank pose, bring the feet together. And now roll on the outside of your right foot. Press your right hand on the ground and bring your left arm all the way up. Your right arm is strong, the shoulder active, and the left arm light. If you want to modify, bring the right knee down or the left foot in front of you. Otherwise, stay here in full Vashisthasana and keep the core active, hips pushing up. Inhale, rise up. And now when you exhale, you twist down with your upper body and bring your left arm under your right one. Inhale, rise up, peel your chest open. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale up. Exhale, twist a strong core. One more time. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, left hand to the floor, and we do the other side. Come in the outside of your left foot, left hand on the ground, rise your right arm up, spread the fingers. Keep a strong core, strong legs. Press down with your left hand. Breathe deeply. And now inhale, open. Exhale, twist, bring your right arm under your left one. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, twist down, keep your core stable. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last time, inhale up, open, smile. Exhale, look down, hands to the floor. Plank pose, inhale. Exhale, lower in vinyasa. Inhale, cobra up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe deeply. Inhale, press back. And exhale, release. Shoulders remain active. And with your next exhale, bring the knees to the ground. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. And now extend your left leg back, your right arm to the front, right thumb points up. Find length here, stabilize your core, bring your spine neutral and bring your left foot and right hand away from each other. Keep stable. Keep turning your left hip down. Inhale, extend. Now when you exhale, elbow and knee together, but keep your spine neutral. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bring together. In, extend. Exhale, together. One more time. Inhale, extend, stay here, and now bend your left knee. Bring your right arm back. Grab the inside of your left foot with your hand and press foot against hand, hand against foot, and start lifting your chest, coming up. Back bend and look forward. Open your heart. Press your left hand strong on the floor. Left shoulder active. Activate your left glute here and keep pressing the hand against the foot and the foot against the hand. Relax your gaze, relax your face. Slowly release, extend the left leg back, right arm to the front, and now bring only the right hand to the ground. Keep the left leg up and then bring it all the way to the left and slowly set the foot on the ground in about one line with your right knee. Press your right hand on the ground, lift your left arm up. Exhale, left arm below the right one, twist. Inhale, chest up, open. Exhale, down. 3 more. Inhale, smile. Exhale, make a space between the shoulder blades. Inhale, shoulder blades together. Exhale, down. Inhale all the way up. Exhale down, and now we stay here. Bring your left ear to the ground. And if you want, bring your right arm all the way to the front. And just breathe. Give yourself a short break here. Out the mouth if it feels good. Just take a few moments to reset. And then slowly bring your right hand back below your shoulders. Lift your left arm all the way up. And when you exhale, both hands and knees in the starting position. We do the other side. Right leg back, left arm to the front. Spread your fingers. Find stability first. So bring your left hip, right hip down. Activate the core and just find length. Inhale, extend. And when you exhale, keeping your core and your spine neutral, bring your knee and elbow together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bring together, don't move the spine. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, together. Great. Inhale, lengthen. Stay here, bend your right knee, bring your left arm back, grab your foot from the inside, and now with the tension you create by pushing foot and hand towards each other, open your chest, arch the spine. Press your right hand on the ground, stay stable on your right arm, right shoulder, and relax your gaze, relax your face. Peel your heart open. Inhale deeply, one more reach. And now when you exhale slowly, you release your foot and extend the arm and leg away from each other. Only the left hand comes now to the ground. Right leg extended all the way to the right slowly. And from here slowly foot to the floor in one line with your left knee. Inhale here, raise your right arm all the way up to the sky. Exhale, come down, twist right arm under the left one. Inhale all the way up. And exhale back down. 3 more like this. Inhale, shoulder blades pulling together. Exhale, shoulder blades pushing away. Inhale up. Exhale down. Mobilize your upper spine. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down and slowly stay here. Right ear to the ground. And if you want, extend the left arm all the way in front of you. If it feels good, close your eyes and enjoy again this short break. Face relax, eyes relax. Let your breath go smoothly. If your arm is extended, bring slowly your left hand below your left shoulder. Extend your right arm all the way up again. Open one more time. And when you exhale, bring your hand below your shoulder, knee back in, and your knees and hands. Inhale, open your chest like a cow. Exhale, round the spine, look down to the belly button cat. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. 3 more like this. Inhale, heart lifts. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, lift, smile. Exhale, round. Inhale, open your heart one more time. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, come back in a neutral spine position. Walk your knees to the front of the mat, cross the feet behind you, and come in a sitting position about the middle of your mat. Extend your left leg on the ground, flex your left foot, and bring your right foot to the other side of your left leg. Grab your right leg and pull yourself long first. Take the belly in and then keep your right arm wrapped on your right knee. Extend your left arm up and twist to the right. Your right hand comes behind you on the floor. Keep pushing your right shoulder backwards towards the right so that you stay here long with the chest open. And your gaze, your neck are really, really relaxed. If you want, you can also close the eyes here. And with every inhale, you find length in the spine. With every exhale, you may want to twist a little farther. Keep breathing naturally in and out through the nose. Keep the flow going. With the next inhale, come all the way to the other side, mini twist to the left. And then find the middle and change legs. Straighten your right leg on the ground. Left foot to the outside of your right leg. Grab your left knee, left thigh, find length. And now grab with your right arm, your left leg. Bring your left arm all the way up, lengthen belly in. Exhale, twist to the left, left hand behind you. Push now your left shoulder back so that you open your left chest area and relax the neck, relax the gaze. Keep breathing here. Keep lengthening with every inhale and maybe twisting a little farther with every exhale. Relax your jaw. We're starting to cool down. Slowly turn back in the middle and then all the way back to the right, mini twist to the right. And find the center again. Bring both feet on the ground. Grab your knees from behind. Vertebra by vertebra, roll all the way down on the floor. Take the knees towards your chest. And if you want, roll a little bit to right and left so that you massage the lower back. Take the hands on your knees and now bring your knees towards you. Open them up to the sides and then close the circle away from you. Again, knees towards you, open and push away, closing the knees. Keep going for 3, 4, and one more time. And now we change directions for 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Take the knees towards you for one more time. And now bring your left foot on the ground, your right ankle on your left thigh, and take your left leg towards you, and either you grab your left thigh from behind or you grab your shin with your hands, and you push your left leg towards you and press your right knee away from you very actively. So keep the right hip very active by pressing the knee away. The right foot is flexed, and you breathe in your right hip very deeply in and out. You send love in this moment to your right hip. Your shoulders, your neck are fully relaxed. Your spine is neutral. The sacrum is on the ground. Keep the activity on the right hip. One more time, inhale, and then slowly release. And then cross your right leg over your left one. You can stay here with a simple cross or double cross. Also, your shin is crossed. Now let your knees fall to the left, and if you want, gaze to the right for a full twist. And extend the arms to the sides in a T or a cactus position, bending the elbows. And close the eyes. Now breathe on your lower back. Breathe on your right chest area. Feel the opening. Both shoulders melt on the ground, and you feel heavy, sinking towards the Mother Earth. Slowly turn the head in the middle. Bring also the knees all the way back to the middle, and we do the same on the other side. First, bring the knees towards your chest, roll for a little bit. And then your right foot on the ground, left ankle on your right thigh, and take your right leg towards you. You either grab your thigh from behind or your shin with your hands. And while you bring your right leg towards you, you press your left knee away from you with the strength of your left hip. Keep your left foot flexed and keep really active on your left hip while you again breathe on that hip. Send your focus there, send your breath, send your prana. Nourish your left hip. The spine remains neutral, the shoulders, the neck relaxed. And then slowly bring your right foot back on the ground. Cross your legs, either simple cross or double cross with the left on top. Extend the arms in the T or the cactus position, and let your knees fall to the right, face to the left if you want. Now breathe again on your lower back, and this time on your left chest area, left shoulder. Feel the opening in your left chest area. Shoulders, arms are heavy on the ground, and the legs are light in this moment. Let yourself melt. Slowly take your head in the middle again. Bring your knees back to the middle and cross the legs. And take the knees towards your chest one more time. Roll from right to left, massage your lower back. And then squeeze everything. Take your head to your knees, knees to your head. Take a deep inhale here, squeeze, squeeze. And exhale. Let it go. Lay on the ground, Shavasana. Your palms face to the ceiling or to the sky. Hands a bit away from your hips. Your feet turn outward. So both your arms, your legs are externally rotated. Your spine is neutral, the neck long. And you just let yourself ground. You just let this moment be. And even if the flow is over by now, keep still your breath flowing slowly and steady. Steady breath, steady mind. Shavasana. Start slowly deepening your breath. Slowly coming back to this moment. And then start moving the fingers, the hands, the toes and the feet. Move further the legs and the arms. And when you are ready, extend the arms behind you. If you want, lift your buttocks from the ground. Deep inhale. And exhale. Lower down, release. If it feels good, take your knees towards your chest. Make a little package and roll from side to side until you fall on one of your two sides, on the left or the right, and take a couple of breaths here. When you are ready, slowly start finding a comfortable sitting position. Remain heavy on your lower body and light on the upper body, and then take your palms together in front of your heart. Give yourself a beautiful, true smile here. And then take a deep inhale through the nose. And now the mouth. Release one more time. Bow towards your hands and open slowly the eyes. And then lift your head and I say Namaste. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for your trust. And I'm really glad to having done this class from this amazing place with the company of my parents, our dog, the great weather, and of course, the river flowing. See you soon in the next class.